and welcome to this video on how to pay off debt fast with Velocity Banking. Are you a homeowner with equity in your home? Do you have a 401k that keeps dropping in value, leaving you feeling helpless and unsure of what to do? Are you struggling with credit card debt, feeling like you might never be able to pay it off? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then GCH Velocity Banking can help.
Velocity Banking Strategy Number 1. Cash flow is king. Knowing this can mean the difference between being indebted or debt-free. Finances in general require that one knows the 5 basic principles to understanding their financial position. Budget, income, expenses, debt and cash flow. Knowing these numbers will help set you up for success, and once you have your numbers, it's time to create a budget,